the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency has seen a noticeable dip in value recently. This downturn has caught the attention of investors and enthusiasts alike, but the reason behind this dip has now been revealed. It's primarily due to profit-taking by traders in the market. Lucy, a prominent member of the Shiba Inu official team, shed light on this matter with a statement that resonated. Just as hopes were high for Shiba Inu's recovery from the recent market crash, things didn't go as planned. Analysts are now sounding alarms for even darker days ahead, and the panic is spreading quickly. All of this happened in the span of just one day. She underlined to the cryptocurrency community that, in spite of the downturn, traders are taking advantage of their profits to create new support levels, not the market collapsing. In addition to addressing the current state of affairs, Lucy's speech inspires confidence by emphasizing how proactive these market modifications are. Here's something you should know, though. Seeing profit-taking during an extended period of market increase is customary in the realm of trading and investing in relation to cryptocurrency trading, especially when using assets like Shiba Inu. Traders profit from the increasing trend by building up gains. But eventually, once the market reaches particular value or saturation points, it makes sense for traders to pull back and safeguard their gains. When they reach a designated water station, instead of just keeping going at their current pace without thinking, the marathon runner who has been leading the race for miles decides to strategically slow down, hydrate, and push through exhaustion to maintain their position at the front. This analogy emphasizes the significance of balance and strategy in both physical endurance and financial markets. Traders in the cryptocurrency market evaluate their energy reserves similarly. They understand the importance of pacing themselves and strategically taking profits to safeguard their game and ensure sustainable growth in the long run. Similar to how a runner modifies their running style and hydration regimen to maximize output and avoid fatigue in order to manage market swings and safeguard earnings while preserving a healthy market environment, traders modify their investment tactics. Nonetheless, if today's trading session ends with Shiba Inu ending in the red, it would mark the cryptocurrency experienced losses for the third day in a row, ending in a notable 29% decrease over the course of the week. This downward trend is representative of the difficulties that Shiba Inu holders and traders are presently facing as they navigate through a period of market turmoil. The decrease in Shiba Inu's value is not a single incident, rather, it is a component of a larger reduction that has been seen recently in the cryptocurrency markets. However, despite this recent decline in value, Shiba Inu has showed incredible tenacity by remaining stable at a critical level of 81 trillion. Shiba Inu's stability in the face of market volatility is noteworthy because it shows the underlying strength of the cryptocurrency in the face of shifting conditions. Data from the block further highlights the importance of this support level. In the block, over 115,000 addresses purchased a significant amount of Shiba Inu, exactly 81 trillion tokens, between prices 22 and 28. Not to mention that 81 trillion tokens, or around 14% of the total Shiba Inu supply, are represented by this data, which highlights the trust and interest in investing among Shiba Inu holders and emphasizes how crucial it is to keep this level of activity to support investor sentiment. The crypto community will be intently watching Shiba Inu's capacity to maintain the 81 trillion Shiba Inu level, which is a critical benchmark indicating stability and the possibility of recovery in the midst of market instability. Advancements. Lucy's remarks struck a chord with many in the community when she said that the market is expected to climb spectacularly in the upcoming weeks. As a beacon of hope in the current situation, Lucy's belief in an impending market upswing gives confidence to both Shiba Inu enthusiasts and investors. Her message serves as a reminder that, despite short-term setbacks, the overall trajectory of the market remains optimistic, with potential for significant gains in the near future. Thus, depending on Lucy's conviction, there is hope that growth will eventually resume soon, but things are not that easy. As one Twitter analyst notes, Bitcoin is nearing a critical turning point in just 3 days. It will formally enter the danger zone historically denoted by prey retracements, which have been observed 14 to 28 days prior to Bitcoin hailing events, have historically started major corrections in 2020. For example, this retrace reached a depth of 20%, while in 2016 it was as deep as 40%. Currently, with Bitcoin only 31 days away from its peak, it has already seen a minus 11% pullback this week. The analyst's perspective highlights that the ongoing market. This is where things get interesting. Another analyst provides a fair reminder of the inherent volatility and unpredictability inside the cryptocurrency field, suggesting caution among positive optimism. The correction might be just the start of a more significant drop. Argument claiming that historically, this has always been the greatest time to buy. Keep in mind that Bitcoin is still in its parabolic phase. This viewpoint emphasizes the notion that market downturns frequently occur. Profitable buying opportunities, particularly for assets like Bitcoin that are still rising. Additionally, keep in mind that the price prediction for Bitcoin applies to all altcoins, particularly Shiba Inu. This is true because, in essence, when the market experiences a downturn and prices fall, it's similar to finding discounts at a retail store during a sale. Astute investors recognize market dips as times of opportunity to buy assets at a discount. This strategy is based on the knowledge that, despite the possibility of short-term losses due to volatility, there is still room for long-term growth and profitability. This is something you should be aware of. An interesting viewpoint on the historical performance of Bitcoin in connection to its halving events is revealed by a new analysis that was posted on Twitter. The tweet explores when Bitcoin reached its previous all-time highs and when certain events occurred. Exposing a fascinating pattern, the tweet draws attention to an interesting finding, in contrast to the previous housing cycle in 2020, which saw Bitcoin reach a new all-time high almost 7 months after the halving on May 11, 2020, Bitcoin has now reached an all-time high almost 2 months before it is having an event. In contrast to past trends, the comparison suggests that the present cycle is moving ahead of schedule. Participants in the market speculate and analyze this departure from historical trends, suggesting that the dynamics driving the tweet's emphasis on the accelerated timeline highlights the significance of closely monitoring Bitcoin's behavior and the broader cryptocurrency market landscape to adjust investment strategies accordingly. Despite the ongoing market crash, some people firmly believe that we shouldn't succumb to fear amidst the current market retracement. Instead, they advocate for maintaining a steadfast resolve and optimistic outlook in line with this. Bitcoin's price movements may be evolving in unforeseen ways that could influence it by factors unique to the current market environment. Feeling Lucy tweeted something moving. Courage is a choice, fear is a reaction. Let rid of dread since it serves no purpose and embrace the strength found in faith and optimism. These are the things I read in my spare time. Focus not on the shadows cast by fear, but on the light of belief that good things are not only possible, they are inevitable. In fact, in the midst of market uncertainty, embracing a mindset grounded in faith and optimism can be a wise and empowering approach that encourages people to face challenges head-on with resilience and positivity. Lucy's message resonates with the idea that people can navigate turbulent times with greater clarity and confidence by acknowledging fear as a natural response but choosing courage, optimism. Preserve perspective, keep an eye on long-term objectives, and seize growth opportunities in the face of adversity. What do you think about that? Please leave a comment below. I'd be interested in hearing what you have to say. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, this concludes the video. In order to help me with the YouTube algorithm, if you like the video, please like it and don't forget to leave a comment. You can also help spread the word about this story by sharing it with as many people as you can.